So, my name's Mario. I'm from the Woodfather.com, and recently I found out that one of my biggest fans, he just hasn't been able to stand up on his own feet lately. Through no fault of his own, I guess he just can't support himself anymore. He just lays around, but it used to be that whenever he was in the room, he just made everyone else feel so much cooler, you know? I really want to help him out. So this is my fan. You hate to see it, you know? Now, while he's a fan of mine, I'm not really that much of a fan of him, so I didn't want to go to any expense here. I found a couple lengths of hardwood to use. They had a number of flaws, screw holes, nail holes, and that kind of thing. But, well, it's the base for a fan. To make the base, I figured a simple half flap would work, so I marked my boards out, making sure that I had the charactery side up. Before cutting, I decided to try a dry fit. Nice. One thing that I really wanted was perfectly straight 90-degree walls on these joints, so I decided to cut them by hand. By hand on the table saw. To finish off the joints though, I did go back to hand tools. Even though this is a really simple job, I really get a lot of enjoyment out of using them. And you wouldn't believe it, but the very first time I put the joint together, it was a perfect snug fit. Couldn't have gotten any better, just mwah. I guess it's testament to my skills and my experience as a woodworker. And yeah, nah, it didn't go together. It took a fair bit of finessing to get there. Eventually I got it snug, but not flush, so I had to go back and pare a little bit more away. Please enjoy this artsy, blurry shot of me doing just that. Now, one thing about this guy, he's not just a fan, he's fancy. To help bring that across, I decided to cut some angles into each end of the base. Now, as you can see, I stayed quite far away from my line when I was cutting, and that was for a really, really important reason. It's because I can't cut to a line. Fortunately, a chisel and a plane, and those angles were cleaned up really, really nicely. I could have gone further with the embellishments, but I don't want my fan to think that the world revolves around him. He's supposed to revolve around in front of me. So I decided to leave it there and to glue the base up. Then a little sanding, some filing, and straight into the finish. I've been trying to finish off this can for 2 years now, but it just keeps pouring out. I love the look of this oil, but I can't find any more stockists in Melbourne, so I don't want to use it on a big project because I'm scared of running out halfway. If you know where I can get it from here in Melbourne, please sing out in the comments down below. He's gonna be all right. He's gonna be all right.